Next, the cost price of a dining table is rupees 1500 and its marked price is rupees 1800. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 8%, then the discount offered by him is 23 1 by 3 percentage. That is true or false. One typical thing you have to remember in this, the shopkeeper is selling at a loss. Loss means lower than the cost price, not lower than the selling price. Okay. What is the cost price? 1500. What is the selling price? Means marked selling price 1800. Now he is selling at a loss of 8%. So 8% will be reduced on what? 1800 or 1500. So it will be reduced on 1500. Why? Because he is selling at a loss. If he sells 8% lower than 1800, then he is not selling at a loss because his cost is 1500, right? So he is selling at lower than 1500. So see this, selling price equals to 92 upon 100. Why 92? 8% loss. So what is the selling price then? 92. 100 minus 8 is 92. So 92 upon 100 into 1500. So that is 1380. That is the selling price. Okay. So this is the price at which he sold. Now what is the discount then? Discount equals to marked minus selling price. Right? What is actually at what price he should have sold? That is 1800. But he is selling at 1380. Right? So 1800 minus 1380. That is a discount. That is 420. Now 420 is the discount given. Now we have to find discount percentage, right? So percentage of discount equals to discount 420 upon selling price now. Why selling price? Because discount is always offered on the selling price. Remember, profit and loss are always on the cost price, but discount is always offered on the selling price. So 420 upon 1800 into 100. So solve this. If you cancel the zeros, you get 70 upon 3. That is, just solve this, 23 1 upon 3 mixed fraction. So this is the answer. And what is given? Same, 23 1 upon 3. So the answer is